Hey people, so I'm all set for my first ever angel healing class, which is basically a class that I conduct based on the teachings of Master Ryoho Okawa, this Japanese healer. So that's what I teach, something known as the glass technique, which is a technique that can help you connect with the higher dimensions. So yeah, that's the goal of life really. So that's what I was preparing for the class, because this is going to be my first ever class, and I can't thank Babita, this cute little she's practically my neighbor, where I stay in Sikandrabad, and I just can't thank her enough, because there is that certain degree of trust that someone shows when they agree to come for your class. So I think it's so important to live up to that trust. Yeah. So that's why I'm preparing for the class, and wish me luck, people. And yeah, this is a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.